Hi everyone. So today we are gonna solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 451, sort characters by frequency. In this problem, what we have to do is we have to sort the characters on the basis of their number of occurrences in the given string, and we have to return the sorted string as well. Okay. So I'm gonna use a really simple approach over here, but we do have a bit more optimized approach which we can follow, which I'll talk about at the end. So to start the problem, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a dictionary or a hash map, whatever you say, in which I'll be storing the number of occurrences for each character. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to iterate through the string and will will increment the number of occurrences if the character was already there, or we will initialize it with a 1. So with this line, what I'm doing is like occurrency dot get title to the comma 0 is I'm checking if the given character was in occurrences. I'll pick that value and increment in the given value. Otherwise, I'll add that key and initialize it with a 1. Okay. Next comes the sorting part. For that, I'm going to use a Python built-in function called sorted. And in this, what I'm going to sort is the items. Like a dictionary.items gives you the pair of keys and values. Okay, and the key on which I will be sorting is the value, right? The value of occurrences, in which we're essentially storing the frequency or the number of times a character occurred in the string, right? Also, we want that to be in the decreasing order, so we will use the parameter reverse for the same. So at last, what we have to do is we will just be creating an empty string, which will be our result, and this is what we are going to return. And we will just simply iterate through the sorted occurrences list which we have prepared, and I'll be adding each character multiplied by the number of occurrences in the result. At the last, I'll just simply return the result. So let's see the test cases. Okay, so the test cases was passed successfully. And if we submit it for further evaluation, yeah, so the solution got accepted, and previously, like with the same uh, solution, we were getting 85.34% of uh, speed. Like we are beating 85% of the solutions. So thanks again, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.